Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can refresh your Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram, and then you simply need to scroll down, and here you can see you can refresh your Instagram by doing this. And let me show you another method. You simply need to go back. Okay, so once you are here, you simply need to open the settings of your smartphone, go into the app management and go into the app list and search for the Instagram. And here you need to click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Then you need to go back and open Play Store and search for Instagram, and you need to update your Instagram application from here. Once you done that, after that you need to log in into your Instagram account. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.